I just wanted to get your attention because I want to tell you right now that I want to help you. So what I want you to know is that there are 3 things that you are doing right now that's keeping you from changing your future. 1, you're procrastinating. 2, you're scrolling way too much on TikTok. Trust me, it's like a rabbit hole that we all go down. 3, you are not realizing an opportunity when it's in front of you. Do you know what that opportunity is? It's TikTok. You can actually use this platform to change your life. How are you going to do that? Well, stick around, follow me, and I'm going to teach you how to change your life using TikTok.